Hmm. Did I even not even make that? Sometimes I think I'm filming and I'm not filming.
They're the ones that are not classy.
I just completely like
the garage, having a party in an alley.
Jesse, an attractive girl comes into their world.
Still, like, could you make it a little more obvious? Like, that's my whole thing.
They're not used
Like,
to that.
I people watch. Trust me, it's one of my favorite things to do. But I'm not like.
Well, you were hot, man. They were.
They thought you were probably a celebrity.
They
That
got
could be.
hot.
You look. You're so beautiful. They thought you were probably
And then
some.
they're all standing
Who?
in
What
front of my
movie was she
car,
in?
So they had to all like park the alley so I could drive down. I'm like, oh my god.
That was.
I can't get out of here fast enough.
That would be
The brownies are good.
Are they good? Not as good as the butter cake.
The butter cake's nasty.
What? Who said that? Oh.
Is this the new dog?
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Let me get your breaker out.
Uh-oh. They said the butter. Well, that was honesty for you. Who made it?
Dixie.
Did you make it?
What?
The butter cake? I was like, I didn't make it.
Yeah, I know that.